If you want to backup data on the Realme GT 7T, then we have a couple of options. So first of all, we're gonna open Settings. Next, in the Settings, we can scroll all the way down and go to System and Update. Then here we have Backup and Reset. And we can, for example, use your Google account in order to create a backup. We can backup photos and videos as well as other device data which are listed here. And then you can press Confirm in order to create the backup. Besides that, you can also go to Backup and Migrate over here at the top, and we have Local Backup. So you can create a local backup over here. You can press New Backup. You can choose what backup, what data should be backed up, as you can see over here, and so on and so forth. So let's say I'm gonna only include contacts and messages. Press Start, and then the backup is completed. You can also see for a second where the backup is created, and here it is. Of course, we can restore the backup later on by going over here. So that's about it. Besides that, here we also have some additional information, like for example, you can copy backup files to your PC or a USB flash drive in order to prevent data loss. So that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.